Welcome to the video, everybody. In this video, I just want to show a machine learning thing that I made. It took a few weeks to complete, and, just want to show it off, show how it works, and I made a very simple game that there's 2 lanes, and each of the lanes can be in one of the 3 states, and the states are, as you can see here, like semi-transparent. Here is transparent, not anymore. And then there's a solid. Solid gives the least amount of points, and transparent gives the most, and semi-transparent gives the least. And then after that's done, they all get a score, and the one with the highest score gets picked, and all the other ones get murdered. And the best one gets duplicated a couple times, and the new duplicates, they change up their values a bit, and so they become a bit different, and this cycle repeats over and over again. This is called the genetic algorithm. That's what I'm using, simple version of it. And genetic algorithm is, like I described, the best one gets picked, all the other ones get killed. And now I'm going to show you the actual, programming of it. So the way this neural network works is I have 3 scripts: the input, the output, and the node. I also have the controller, but that's outside and it just controls everything. And so the way the input works, it just takes what I want the input to be, and it just sends it over to the node. It might seem useless, but it helps with the neatness. It makes everything neat. Once the input gets over to the node, these are all my inputs right here, and I just found a problem. So the way the node works, it assigns random values to the inputs called weights, and then it multiplies the inputs by the weight and then adds them all together to get a output as a result, and then it sends this output to the output, which I'm going to talk about next. And the last script is the output. The output takes the output from the node and sees if it meets some requirements. If it does, we do something. In my case, something is switching. And the way I do it is if it has gone above a threshold. But there's other ways to do it, which I'm planning to implement in the next video. So if you want to see that, stick around for that. But other than that, that's the whole script, and I will show how it works. So fixing the problem took a lot longer than expected, but I think I finally fixed it now. And if I go, If I go back to Unity right now, you can see that I have it learning right now, and so you can see that almost all the time, most of them pick the better option between the 2 lanes, and that means it's actually learning, and as you can see, it is working. Thank you for watching all the way through. I am planning to post 2 more videos on this neural network machine learning thing. If you're interested in anything like this or have any questions, be sure to ask in the comments. This video wasn't really in depth, but I'm planning the next one to be. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.